Welcome to the video where I'll share how I made $10,000 in a day selling digital products. Discover the strategies I used and how you can achieve six-figure income online too. My journey started from scratch, just like many of you. I wasn't an expert, but my passion for digital products led me to explore and experiment, which eventually paid off. The first strategy is identifying a niche where you can add unique value. This means understanding your audience's needs and tailoring products that genuinely solve their problems. Creating high-quality digital products is crucial. Focus on producing content that is not only informative but also engaging, ensuring it stands out in the crowded online market. Pricing your products correctly is another vital aspect. Test different price points to find the sweet spot where customers see the value and you maximize profits. Leverage social media to expand your reach. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok can drive significant traffic to your products when used strategically and consistently. Building an email list is a game changer. It allows you to communicate directly with potential customers, offer value, and promote your products without relying solely on external platforms. Automation tools are your best friend. They help streamline your business processes, from sales to customer follow-up, saving you time and allowing focus on growth. Collaboration with other creators can boost your visibility. Partner with those in complementary niches to expand your audience and increase credibility in your field. Never underestimate the power of analytics. Understanding which strategies work and which don't through data helps refine your approach and enhance your results. Persistence is key. There will be challenges, but staying committed and continuously learning from failures will ultimately lead to success. If you're serious about changing your financial future, apply these techniques. With determination and the right approach, making a six-figure income online is within your reach. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips inspire you to take action. Remember, success begins with the decision to try. Subscribe for more insights on achieving online success.